Greetings of the day. My name is Lakshman Jajodia, Assistant Professor, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In the last video, we have discussed about the syllabus and the paper pattern of Business Finance 1 for BCom 5th semester as prescribed by the university. In this video, we will be going to start with our first unit, that is Business Finance, and we will discuss what is business finance and its related terminologies. We will start with the definition of business finance. In short, we have discussed in the last video what is business and what is finance, and in aggregate we have in short discussed what is business finance. We can define business finance as an art of or science of managing our finances of the business or money. E.W. Walker has defined business finance as to plan, coordinate, control and implement financial activities of the business institutions or companies. Usually, business finance is concerned with the sources of the funds available to the enterprises of all size and with the proper use of the money. It includes both the funds which are obtained from some other financial institutions or which are own funds which are contributed by the owners of the company. Thus, business finance usually look after the finances of the business, from where we are going to raise the funds, how we are going to utilize the fund, and how we are going to manage the funds in the tenure of the life of the business. That is what is business finance. Now we will move to the features or the nature of business finance. The first feature is it is useful for all type of the organization, whether it is big, whether it is medium or whether it is small organization. All organization can get benefit of business finance. It is useful for all types of organization. Secondly, it comprises of all types of funds. In the further part, we will discuss what are the types of the fund in detail, but right now we will discuss in short. Types of fund can be categorized according to the various classification. It can be own funds or borrowed fund. It can be long-term fund, medium-term fund, or short-term fund. All these kind of funds are included under the term of business finance. Next thing, we all know that every business is different, every organization is different. Though they are producing same type of goods or services, still the model is different, their behavior, financial behavior is different, their size is different. That is why we know that every fund would require different quantities of finance that different businesses would need, and business finance helps us to understand this and to have the luxury or to have the benefit from the business finance to raise these funds. Next is essential part. Business finance is an essential part of an organization. Why essential part? Because we all know that without finance, a business is unable to run. We need finance at every point of time in the business. For example, purchasing of raw material, paying wages to the employees or laborers, purchasing various assets like furniture, computer, laptops, purchasing land, building, etc. All these things we need finance, and business finance help us to have this essential part in the coverage. Next thing is, we cannot say that the fund required at a particular point of time to a business would be as it is in the total life of the or total duration of 1 year. It differs from business to business, it differs from period to period. For example, any organization will have their peak season. If they are producing umbrellas or raincoats, they would need a large amount of funds just before the monsoon season, because the requirement of both the products is high in the monsoon. That is why the amount of finance required to this kind of business would be high in the summer season and it would be very low in the end of the monsoon season. So it differs from period to period, the amount of finance a business would require. Next and last thing is that the amount which is raised by the business will determine in what scale we are going to operate our business activities. A huge firm would require large quantity of funds or large amount of funds, whereas a small firm would require considerably less amount of fund for performing its business activities. Next thing is the importance or significance of business finance. The very first need or necessity of business finance is for acquisition of the funds. Acquisition of funds is quite important. Without that, we are not able to have the funds. Without that, we are not able to run our business and pay our expenditure. Business finance helps us to understand how we can acquire the funds and from where are the sources from where we can arrange the funds and which is good for our business model. That is the first thing. Second thing, for purchasing fixed assets. We all know fixed assets means the assets which are lying with the business for longer duration, that is for 5 years or more than 5 years, like machinery, building, land, etc. These kind of assets require large quantity of fund to purchase, and business finance helps us to have that arrangement for purchase of fixed assets. Next thing is for meeting day-to-day expenses, that is operational expenses of the business. By only purchasing fixed assets, we cannot have the business running. For running the business, we need to pay day-to-day expenses like purchasing of raw material, payment of rent, taxes, payment of electricity bill, telephone bill, or any other dues which are payable for within 1 year. These kind of expenses are to be paid regularly by the business. For this purpose also we need finance. Next thing is to meet the contingencies. Contingencies means that part of the activities which is not planned. It can arise at any point of time, or we cannot have the knowledge of it. So by business finance we can meet these kind of contingencies. For example, shortfall of the raw material in the current period would require businesses to have large stocks of their raw material so that they have their business running. Business finance helps to finance the stocking of the raw material. Next thing is helps in availing of business opportunities. Various times we can see that many opportunities are availed by the business by which we can book a handsome of profit, or we can penetrate in the market very easily. For example, some stockist is selling his stock, which is our raw material, at very low rates. That would help us to improve our business operations and have the proper profitability. Next thing is to improve profitability. We all know that businesses run for the purpose of having profit. By having proper financing in the business, we can have good profits which can be utilized by the business properly. It would impress its owner, that can be shareholders. Business finance, by having sufficient financial with the business, helps us to improve the profitability. We can grab business opportunities, we can meet contingencies, etc. Another thing we would add, that is proper utilization of fund, that is quite necessary. By using business finance, we can have the operational efficiency of the business concerns. That would help us to reduce the unnecessary expenditure, to reduce any kind of shortfall which would cost to our business. So there would be proper utilization of the funds. In the next lecture, we will discuss about other part of the business finance. Thank you. So what we have learned in this video. What is business finance? It is an activity of managing the finance of the business. Second thing what we have learned is the objectives of the business, nature of the business finance or its characteristics, features of the business finance. Third thing what we have seen about the significance of the business finance. In the next lecture we will discuss about the objectives of the business finance and the next part relating to the functions of the financial manager. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.